Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are covering the top Nifty 50 movers and key market levels to watch. If you enjoy this analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe for daily stock market updates. Now let us get started. Grasim Industries jumped 6.17% today, but the real reason might surprise you. Here are the exact numbers straight from NSE in the next 6 minutes. You'll understand why these stocks moved and what key levels matter for tomorrow. Grasim Industries didn't just rally, it hit a fresh 52-week high on massive institutional volume. The stock opened at 3,060.7, raced to an intraday high of 3,180, dipped to 3,021, and settled at 3,154.5, a sharp 6.17% gain, adding 183 rupees in a single session. The 3,180 level marks the all-time high, and volume exploded to 4.81 times the 20-day average, a clear sign of institutional conviction. This level is the final resistance zone. Consecutive closes above it would be extremely meaningful. The breakout above the 20-day closing high puts the stock in price discovery territory. However, RSI at 85.5 enters overbought territory, which often invites profit booking. Tomorrow, the key level to watch remains 3,180. A decisive close above it could signal further upside, while failure may drag the stock towards support at 2,894. As always, this is market observation. Verify with your advisor before any decision. When you see volume nearly 5 times the average, it's rarely retail that's institutional muscle. But the biggest surprise today is still ahead. Here's why. Apollo Hospitals also smashed its 52-week high, hitting 83.88 intraday and closing at 8,308.5, up 2.85%, a gain of 230 rupees. The stock opened at 8,198.5, dipped to 8,051.5, then vaulted to the session high, a sign of strong buying pressure. Volume surged to 3.78 times normal, signaling institutional participation. Like Grasim, Apollo broke above its 20-day closing high, entering price discovery mode. RSI at 78.3 is overbought, so some consolidation may be due. Historically, the 83.88 zone has acted as a ceiling. The stock is just 0.9% from that record. The watch point, a close above 83.88. If sustained, momentum could build. Failure may see a dip to support near 79.81. A similar volume spike here suggests institutions were aggressively accumulating the stock. Keep in mind, this is educational analysis, not a recommendation. IndiGo gained 3.25%, but the chart paints a cautiously different picture. The stock jumped from an open of 43.05, which was also its intraday low, to a close of 44.03, with a high of 4,452.2, a rise of 138 rupees. Yet, the 9-day EMA at 43.17 remains below the 20-day EMA at 43.53, a short-term bearish crossover that often caps upside. Volume was 1.44 times average, not the institutional surge seen elsewhere. This divergence from the other two gainers is worth noting. The rally lacked institutional backing. RSI at 57.2 is neutral, offering no clear momentum. IndiGo is still 11.5% below its 52-week high of 6,232.5, which may attract value buyers despite the downtrend. The key resistance is 45.66. A break above that could reverse the trend, but until then, this looks like a bounce in a broader decline. Support sits at 44.34. As always, the data is educational. Do your own research before acting. Today, the market was flat, yet large-cap stocks like Grasim and Apollo hit fresh all-time highs on heavy institutional volume, while IndiGo's bounce stayed capped by a bearish technical structure. Tomorrow, watch whether Nifty holds support at 23,814 and if Grasim can close above its 52-week high of 3,180. Also monitor Apollo's ability to sustain above its fresh 52-week high of 83.88. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, drop your watchlist stock in the comments, and subscribe for daily market insights. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.